Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add and control a realistic shadow in Photoshop using a separate layer. Let's get started. Let's say we have an image of a man first. Make sure the object layer is selected. Now go to the Layers panel and double-click on the object layer to open the Layer Style window. Tick the checkbox for Drop Shadow. Make sure the blend mode is set to multiply, which makes the shadow blend naturally. From here, you can adjust the shadow's angle, distance, spread, and size to match your scene. Once you're happy with the settings, go up to the Layer menu and choose Layer Style greater than Create Layer. This will separate the shadow into its own layer right below the object. Now you can select the shadow layer and drag it around freely to reposition it. To make the shadow look more realistic, right-click the shadow layer, choose Distort. From here, you can shape and angle the shadow any way you want to match the lighting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.